Hello everybody, my name is Ahmed Khalil, and this is Photoshop Color Designer Volume 1, the ultimate course to build up your ability of using Photoshop. And in this course I'm going to talk about photo manipulation. In this course we have 7 sections, and in the first section I'm going to talk about the hotkeys and shortcuts, and how to work them to work faster, and how to use them to work faster. And in the next section I'm going to talk about selection techniques, and we're going to learn a lot of selection techniques and how to use all the selection tools, practicing some purposive examples to increase your knowledge of what selection tools can do, and how to bring your design to life using these techniques of selection tools. And in the next section we're going to learn how to work smart with layer, revealing all the tricks of this matter and how to make some fascinating stuff using these techniques that you have learned. Alright, that was cool. Now in this section you're gonna start your first project, and you're gonna be shading, highlighting, manipulating to change this simple image to this. This section I'm gonna introduce you to Photoshop super tools and how they work and how to use them to make your mind-blowing designs. And we're gonna be taking this as an example, and this should be your final image. In this section you're gonna use all the techniques you have learned to make this final photo manipulation in this course, and we're gonna be creating this creative design, and this should be your final image. If you want to ask any question, or if you want me to publish another tutorial, in this section will be my extra tutorials answering you for all of your questions. Thank you very much. My name is Ahmed Khalil, and I hope you enjoy this course.